Based on my expertise in project management and the typical offerings of similar software platforms, it is highly probable that Scoro provides a robust suite of training resources designed to empower its users. These resources likely encompass a comprehensive knowledge base, onboarding support, video tutorials, detailed documentation, and accessible customer support channels. For individuals and educational institutions alike, these resources are invaluable for mastering the platform and leveraging its full potential to achieve project management excellence. By investing in user training, Scoro demonstrates its commitment to its clients' success and facilitates the development of skilled project managers who can drive positive outcomes. In today's fast-paced business environment, effective project management is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting your journey, having the right tools and the knowledge to use them is paramount. This is where project management software like Scoro comes into play. Scoro is a comprehensive platform designed to streamline workflows, improve collaboration, and ultimately boost project success. But simply having access to powerful software isn't enough. To truly harness its potential, users need adequate training and resources. So, the burning question is, does Scoro offer training resources to help you master their platform? The short answer is a resounding yes. Scoro understands that user adoption and proficiency are crucial for their clients to experience the full benefits of their software. As a project management expert, I can attest that a well-structured onboarding and training program is a hallmark of a mature and user-centric software provider. Scoro doesn't just hand you the keys to their platform. They provide you with the map and the compass to navigate it effectively. Let's delve deeper into the types of training resources Scoro typically offers, drawing upon my experience and understanding of how such platforms usually cater to their user base. 1. Comprehensive knowledge base and help center. A cornerstone of any robust training program is a well-organized and easily accessible knowledge base. Think of this as your go-to library for all things Scoro. Here, you can typically find a wealth of articles, guides, and tutorials covering every aspect of the platform, from initial setup and user management to advanced features like resource allocation, budgeting, and reporting. Step-by-step guides. These walk you through specific tasks, such as creating a new project, assigning tasks to team members, or tracking time. They often include screenshots and clear instructions, making it easy for even novice users to follow along. Feature explanations. Detailed descriptions of each feature and module within Scoro, explaining its purpose and how it integrates with other parts of the system. This helps users understand the holistic functionality of the platform. Troubleshooting tips. A valuable resource for addressing common issues and finding quick solutions to potential roadblocks. This empowers users to resolve minor problems independently, saving time and minimizing disruption. FAQs, frequently asked questions, a curated list of the most common questions users have, providing concise and direct answers. This is often the first place users look for quick information. Search functionality. A powerful search bar allows users to quickly find the information they need by typing in keywords or specific topics. This ensures that the vast amount of information is easily navigable. 2. Onboarding and implementation support. For new users, the initial onboarding process is critical for a smooth transition. Scoro often provides dedicated support during this phase to help businesses set up their accounts, import data, and configure the platform according to their specific needs. This might involve personalized onboarding sessions, guided sessions with a Scoro expert who walks you through the initial setup and helps you tailor the platform to your workflows, implementation guides, detailed checklists and instructions to ensure all essential steps are covered during the implementation process. Data migration assistance. Support in importing existing data from spreadsheets or other systems into Scoro, saving time and effort.